This video is dedicated to the legendary cricketer Shane Warne. As an Indian and as a cricket fan, I am deeply saddened after hearing the news of early demise of the legendary cricketer. Me and my team, and of course all the cricket fans, will surely miss you. I am holding in my hand a running shoe. This shoe can be used for walking, for jogging, and also for running. Now what if I tell you, you can earn real cryptos by performing any of these activities and by wearing NFT sneakers? Surprised? Well, that's what the project is about. Welcome to CryptoTubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video, I will talk about STEPN. STEPN is a revolutionary app that rewards everyone who have a healthy habits of running, walking, or even jogging. I will talk in length about this project, so do watch the complete video till the end. And before I start, as a ritual, I welcome you on board. You can start by clicking the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive weekly crypto notification. And if you wish to learn about this project and any other cryptocurrency project of your choice, just click the description box and visit my website, which is CryptoTubes.com, and browse every article of your choice. Having said that, let's step into STEPN. Before I take you through the list of topics, let me make you aware on the platform on which we are active. We are active on YouTube, but we are also active on Twitter and also on Meta. You can drop a comment here, or you can visit our Twitter handle to spark a conversation. Now let's start with the list of topics. I will start with what is STEPN, then a look into STEPN tokens, STEPN token sale, the IEO, followed by STEPN Marketplace, STEPN team members, the benefits and drawbacks of the project, and finally I will end the video with should you invest in STEPN or not. So I will start with what is STEPN. STEPN is the first move to earn blockchain gaming app that rewards a healthy lifestyle. Based in Australia and built on Solana blockchain, this app has one single purpose, and that is to become the leading Web3 fitness app. Now it rewards a user for walking, jogging, and running using NFT sneakers. Yes, you heard it right. You have to purchase NFT sneakers in order to use the app, which can be used to track your movements, and based upon your movements, you will be rewarded with the tokens. Now talking about tokens, the app has two special tokens. That's why it has a dual token economy. These two tokens are GST and GMT. GST stands for Green Satoshi Tokens and GMT stands for Green Metaverse Tokens. Coming to the GST part, now GST is the in-game token, which means this token will be used to reward the user who is using the app. Anytime a user completes a task, maybe he walks, runs or jogs, will be rewarded with GST tokens, which can be further used to make in-app purchases like level upgrades, buying a new sneakers or minting new sneakers likewise. Now the total supply of GST token is unlimited. Now coming to the next part, which is GMT token. So GMT is the Green Metaverse token or the main token of the app. Now GMT token is the governance token which is used for governance, for staking and accrual of protocol revenue. All these features are explained in the description of the video. You can click the link and read about all these features. The total supply of GMT is 6 billion. Now this dual token economy may sound similar to Star Atlas and Polish token. If you want to learn about that project, which is again built on Solana, you can click on the link above and check that project. Like I said, the total supply of token is 6 billion. A majority, 60% of it, is allocated to move to earn and governance participation, which accounts for 30%, and the remaining chunk, which is again 30%, is allocated to ecosystem fund for community activities and giveaways. Now after explaining the tokens and talking about the project, the next part and the most favorite of all is the IEO of the project. So at the time of creating the video, the IEO is about to go live, which is on 10th of March 2022, in which GMT token will be launched on the Binance Launchpad at a price of just $0.01 US. It will release an initial circulation supply of 10%. The complete details of the IEO can be seen right here on this table. Now it is important to remember that the total supply of GMT tokens will be halved every 3 years, and that is to maintain the longevity of the token. So here you can see, if you have to choose between GST and GMT, I will prefer GMT as an investment because GST you can earn anyway just by using the app. Now after the IEO comes another part, and that is STEPN Marketplace. So STEPN Marketplace is the key area where all the purchases can be made. Purchases from NFT sneakers, shoe boxes, gems and badges can be made on the NFT Marketplace, which is the part of the app itself. As you can see on the screen right over here, I am currently showing you the NFT Marketplace of the app where you can purchase sneakers by using SOL tokens. Now NFT Marketplace has 3 special features, and that is trading, renting and credit. Now these 3 features also called as its system. Now by trading system, I mean you can buy and sell your NFTs, gems and badges on the marketplace itself, and by renting, you can rent your sneakers to other players who can use them to earn rewards, and again the rewards will be shared between the owner and the tenant. The STEPN team has cleverly put a renting system into its marketplace because it believes that it will help it onboard maximum number of users, especially who are non-crypto enthusiasts. By using a renting feature, a user doesn't have to load tokens to purchase NFT sneakers, and he can just rent it on the app itself. Now this feature is still under development, but when it rolls out, I think it has the potential to increase mass adoption. Now after renting, there is another feature which is called credit system. Now this system is also under development, and it is for the renter. A renter should have a score of at least 2 out of 5, which means a credit score of 2 out of 5 if he wishes to rent his sneakers. So trade system, renting system and credit system are all part of NFT Marketplace. And if you wish to learn in depth about this system, you can click on the link in the description and read the post about the complete STEPN app. Now after the marketplace comes the major part, and that is project team members. There are 4 core team members of the project, which are Jerry, Jon, Jessica and Ryan. Jerry and Jon are the co-founders, and Jessica is the CFO and Ryan is the lead developer. Jerry has a decade-long experience in the game development and marketing strategies, while his co-founder, which is Jon, is famously known for incubating projects and scaling them from being a small startups to a national brands. So after the team members comes the benefits and drawbacks of the project. To start with the benefit, the number one benefit of the project is in-app wallet. Yes, you have in-app wallet within the app, which allows users to load tokens to make a purchase on its marketplace. Apart from it, the app also features in-app swap, which is also there within the wallet. That is an excellent feature for anyone who wishes to trade or use the app to swap the tokens. The another benefit which is unique to the project is its carbon offsetting. A part of your earning, a user can decide to donate a part of his earning which is in GST tokens for a cause to save the environment, which is quite a unique feature if you ask me. I haven't heard any other app which is doing the same, especially in the Web3 space as of now. Apart from these 2 features, the project is multi-chain and also it rewards health. So these are some of the benefits of using this app, and apart from the benefits, there is some of the drawbacks which I would like to highlight. The number one drawback which I believe is that it is quite centralized. And why so? Because it asks you for your email ID upon sign up, which is quite strange for a Web3 app which has an inbuilt wallet. Web3 means privacy, and by using your email ID, somehow this feature is violated. This is my major concern about this app, because anytime if the owner or the team wishes to block you from the app, it can do it anytime. That's one of the drawbacks. The second is the project is still under development. Features like renting like credit score, and even the complete NFT space is still under development. There is a lot to be done and lot to be proved with time. Of course, as you can see on the roadmap, they are quite on time with it, but it will take some time for the project to come out fully developed. Next and final part, should you invest in STEPN App or give it a pass? Now before I answer this question, there are two critical questions which needs to be answered by you. Number one is, do you believe in blockchain gaming? Number two, do you think NFTs are useful or are they here for the long haul? Now if the answer to both of these questions is yes, then STEPN is the project you must keep your eyes on. The project has potential and has a unique feature. On a special note, this project ranked 4th among 500 plus projects in the Solana hackathon which took place in 2021. Moreover, this project has received a total of $5 million funding from top investors like Sequoia Capital, Solana Ventures and Alameda Research. Now these investments can indicate the strength of the project and the bet the VCs are taking on this project. Clearly, the project is up to something and that's why it has received such a great funding. Now apart from it, if you want to know whether or not the project is picking up pace, you can check the Twitter handle. Just before the IEO, it has already gained over 60,000 followers on its Twitter handle. Now that proves the project has potential to some extent. Now if you wish to compare the coins or the tokens of the project, you can compare it directly with Axie Infinity coins and Star Atlas coins which have a dual token economy. Overall, the project is interesting, it has a real use case and has the ability to onboard a large number of users. We have to wait how the project pans out and how the features roll out with time. I am quite bullish on this project right now, but I will wait until I hear about its future developments. So that completes my review of STEPN App. Do drop your comments in the comment section below and do watch the videos shared on the screen. I'll see you in the next video with a new video and the new content. Till then, take care and have a good day.